Ngikhalile ngivunguzile ngaliwe kuzukile sengibonile ukuthi uthanda imali we udlala hide and seek uthanda imigugu and I know songibhanqa namahuzu mabhizo ngenza ibhari we nasebusweni ubhaliwe uyachita bara guess okwenzekile kudaliwe I was a playboy bangishaya nge-KO now I'm heartless my heart went AWOL cause uthando la confuse uthanda umuntu kakhulu angakuthanda uzokuhlukumeza you will feel weekend utholakale sojava sophuza every weekend I was your trash I'm head treasure yena uyangithanda wena kimi bofuna pleasure nowadays I look uthanda udinga imali ukuthi ubambe
Uthando luzokubhayizisa vula amehlo usibheke lapho my sister uthando luzokufathuzisa vula amehlo nawe usibheke emtshita uthi uyakuthanda unamanga udlala ngawe everyday uhlala kuthembisa ukuthi yena uzokushada nalo mntwana unamanga ugamba amanga everyday ma umphelela utshela ukuthi uyakuthanda while she's messing with another man behind your back while he's sleeping with another girl on your bed hayibo yebo uthando lunzima awubheke mabasikhohlisa benza njani usothi uhlele endlini angekho endlini mofone endlini awumthole endlini uphume kusenaye esipanini ubonakale mamolini uthengela ne-underbende kodwa ubhizi nabo stele njalo ma umfuna kekho ma umfonela uyakudeba
Peta ntombazane nhlek maningi lama-out ispuda we-golfo hluka we-volvo suka kanti usitotso uyagula unangqondo wayodlala ngamgel gibela ikhanda lamgel ubuye isithandwa samgel uhlala uphanda namgel bengikufatela bozoshada namgel kanti ngiyasikhohlisa ngigcwele ukuklema njenge-diantel kusengicommit suicide besides B akekho ozokuthanda njengami mawifi oyisigidla vawulalaphi umamami wacela ukuthi please ungangilahli you was a good girl now you gone bad enhleke iphuma uphele lo thando lustope uthando lwethu belubased emangeni bengithi uyangithanda kanti angibuzange elangeni